Denji start a landscaping business? Because he's great at cutting down the competition. How does Power stay so confident? She's got devilish good looks. Why don't devils ever win at poker? Because Aki always plays his hand perfectly. What's Denji's favorite tool? A saw. Because he's always cutting to the chase. Why did Makima open a bakery? So she could knead people into submission. How does Denji like his coffee? Chainsaw frothy. To start his day with a buzz. Why don't devils ever go on vacation? Because they can't handle the chainsaw massacre of relaxation. What's Power's favorite